Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video that will be something a little different. Someone asked me to paint on his old truck his shop sign. So here is the final result. I will try to show you how I got there. I did use some stencil. I used some enamel single stage paint. And here it is, the Cricut to make my stencil. So this is how everything started. I'm making my my stencil for the next job. I don't see if you can see anything here. I don't think so, but it's all cut already. Custom CNC JC. So I made the first one, and I had some issue here where. So here it is, 47 Chevy with a Buick. 8-cylinder inline. That looks like a beast of engine, but yeah, cool truck, very cool truck. So I'm gonna try to make some old Patina sign here on the door and back fender. So here we go. Seems slow, but goes fast, just like an airplane. So here it is for the fender, milling, turning. Only issue I'm having is you can see the stencil doesn't stick very well on the rust. I cleaned it with a grease remover, wax and grease remover, but still. So I will have to be careful when I'm doing that part here, because the paint's gonna seep under those edges here. There's nothing I can do to fix it. It's the vinyl, you know, it's not sticking. So anyway. All those times you were kept up by roaring thunder. Stay much longer. As time moves on, they'll only grow darker. So here I'm using a rag that I dipped into the reducer that I used to thin my that I put in my single stage. It's a urethane single stage, and I use some urethane medium, temp. Reducer, and you really go slowly, because if you put too much reducer on your rag, you will get rid of all the paints in once. So you really have to really damp it a little bit and just play with it. Okay, put some peacock blue. Gonna let it dry a little bit, and I come back and do the same thing that I did with the white. Make it a little older. And voila, all done. Yeah. Very nice. I wish I could look further away.
I'll have to pull it out.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Blend into times of midday.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. That will help the channel. Really appreciate it. And see you in the next video.